So we're here at JCB and we're going to have a look at the JCB 385 with Firiandi and James. Hi.
Hi. Hi, everybody. Hi, James. And JCB.
Great to be here. And we're really excited because this is a new machine that we've launched this year, the JS385 HD. Really strong, really comfortable.
Yeah. Can you please explain to me?
Yeah, so this is a high output excavator. We offer up to 2.3 meter buckets on the 385 HD. We have really strong, really durable big end to take all those forces.
How so?
So you'll see on the construction of the dipper design that we have a very deep section on this arm, and it's got thick plate on the end of the arm, and we also add extra plating on top of that to add reinforcement, and as well as that, heavy duty crush bars. Now, if you look at the competition, you'll see very few offer as much protection and reinforcement as JCB does, and this makes it such a strong design in hard applications.
It is very strong.
And if you look at the link arms that we have, just look how heavy duty they are, how thick the plating is on that. This is larger than you'll see on any other machine of this size, and that's because we have such high dig forces with this machine. Really strong structures to take all that force.
So you can take this as a heavy duty arm and heavy duty boom, right?
Heavy duty boom comes as standard. So this is a all new design for this 385 HD. It's deep in section, thick plates, reinforced in all key areas, internal strengthening as well. It's a super strong design, and it's been designed and tested in the hardest of applications.
All right. And how about the undercarriage?
So with JCB, we always have the heaviest duty undercarriages across all our excavators, and the 385 HD, no exception to that. And you'll see really thick plate that we add in on this X-frame design. Big diameter turret, strong design, thick steel, and we weld that top and bottom. If you were to compare this undercarriage to the competition, you'll see we use so much more steel than everyone else, and that gives all that strength, but it also gives great stability to put that weight down low.
So we are thicker.
Thicker than the competition, and we have belly guarding as standard on this machine.
Nice.
And if we come on round to the side, you'll see again how much strength we have in this long carriage design. Wow. We also, like we do on our other excavators, we put this reinforcement in this idler area. Now, there's a big spring in this recoil unit, and if you think a machine this size, it's got so much force going through it. And this reinforcement here means there's never any chance of this opening up like you might have on some of the competition machines. So this thick plate extends the whole way back, gives extra protection, extra reinforcement on the undercarriage.
How about the rollers?
Yeah, so we have, you can see the size of these really big diameter upper rollers, taking all that force from this heavy machine. And you'll see on the bottom, we fit 3 track guides as standard. And you'll see on a lot of the competition, they only do 2. We do 3 on this machine to keep this long chain on the undercarriage. And we have the best components when it comes to chains. These are thick track plates. If you look at the competition, they won't be as thick as we have on these track plates. So that resists bending and it gives extra wear properties to our undercarriage components. So we mean it when we say the 385 is a heavy duty machine. It really is.
Wow, great.
And that continues up on the upper structure. If you look at this, look at how strong this is, and we weld reinforcements on here as well. Comes as standard on the HD with this impact protection. Now we already have really strong platforms, but this extra protection protects the whole bodywork, meaning if you're running this machine in really hard applications and maybe an operator doesn't quite realize where the side of the machine is, extra protection. So owners of this machine love this feature.
Yes.
Protects their investment.
Yes. Safety feature also, right?
That's it.
So what else do we have here?
Well, we should probably go on top
Okay,
because we've got something
nice.
really exciting up on top of this machine. So, like all our excavators, you've got great access, good strong handrails, large steps to make it easy to get on and off the machine. You can see big steps, big toolbox here. So you can store lots of easy to get on.
So can you explain more about this infrastructure?
Yeah, so one of the things you'll notice when we're standing here is just how big this standing area is.
Yes.
Most of the competition will have only a very small area that you need to stand on. We're quite high up because this is a big machine. At JCB, we make our excavators safe, so we have a really big standing space.
So it makes our mechanic easier when they want to do
Really
maintenance,
easy.
isn't it?
Daily maintenance, weekly maintenance, or if you need to do any other types of work in the machine, safe when you're on top. When
Yes.
it comes to the engine, look how easy it is to open this bonnet.
Yeah, it is.
No effort. Such good access in here.
Nice. So this is our engine.
This is a JCB engine. It's a 6-cylinder, 7.2 litre engine. It's got high torque, high horsepower, and it's so fuel efficient. Customers that run 385 HDs are so impressed with how productive and fuel efficient it is. And we're unique. No one else has got this amazing engine in their excavators.
What is the horsepower for this?
It's 280 horsepower on this machine.
Nice.
You can see really good access to all the components.
Yeah.
Easy access to the dipstick. Great for serviceability and maintenance. Such a good engine.
You have some rooms also in here.
Yeah, lots of space in around everything to get access to it.
Nice.
Yeah, so you'll see really big service bay to get great access.
What about this?
So you see the JCB engine, we couple that again with a Kawasaki pump. It's a twin pump, really high flow. So that gives great cycle times, but it also gives amazing performance to the operator when they're trying to be as productive as they need to be with the machine. You'll also see, because it's a big bay, great access to all the service components in here. So you've got access to, this is your engine oil filter.
Mm-hmm.
This is your hydraulic filters here and here. And then we have 3 fuel filters on this machine, but you'll see there 1, 2, and the third one back there. And these are high capacity fuel filters designed to give a long service time. They have a sensor in them, so if there is water in the fuel, that will give an alert to the operator, meaning they can take out water. If there's any water contamination in the fuel, they can take it out. And these balls on the fuel filter allows the operator to see if there's any dirt or any water in it. So you'll see the back, really heavy counterweight. So this is a big counterweight on the 385 HD, and it's heavy, and that allows us to have those big buckets on the 385 HD. And as we continue on round, again on this side, you can see that heavy weld-on side impact protection to give all that protection to the side of the machine and also to the cab. And you've got 2 big service bay doors to get amazing service access. Now if I open the first one, Look how big this cooling pack is.
Yes.
It is huge. And
Huge
again,
cooling
it's a single face cooling pack, meaning that there's no stacking of different cooling packs. You've got the best, most efficient airflow through this cooling pack.
Yeah.
This is the air conditioning cooling pack,
Okay.
and this swings open. So look at that for access to clean it out and do any checks that you want to. Such a big cooling pack. Fly screens fitted on that to prevent material buildup, and I can swing this open to clean in behind it. Really, really good.
It's really big cooling system, isn't it? I don't think this will get overheating.
No, these machines are running in the highest of temperatures worldwide with absolutely no problems. That's because we have such a big cooling pack on this.
Nice.
And then if we go into this bay, okay, again you'll see we have a really big service bay. Good access to a big air filter. So this has got a long service interval, having lots of protection to the engine. This is for your windscreen washer fluid.
Yes.
But look at this. Look at this big steel tray that
Yeah.
we put in this bay. And underneath this is some of the hydraulics and the batteries. So these are so well protected.
Okay.
So if an operator wants to store something here, they're not going to damage those components beneath. But if I do want to get access to it, I just undo these two screws. Simple and easy, just like that. And I can get really easy access into the batteries.
Okay, nice.
So this is something that operators really, really like
Yeah,
because they've got
they
all
like
this storage space. But owners like it because it gives extra protection to their machine.
Very nice. Oh, good. This is a big machine, isn't it?
It really
It's
is.
a very big space. Strong one also. Regular and reliable.
And you'll see we have a big cab as
How many
well.
cabs here? How many cabins? What features do we have? Can I?
Yeah, please.
Wow, very comfortable.
Key for you.
Ski.
So you'll see it's a
Okay, you open it.
so you'll see it's a really spacious cab.
It is.
And you've got
big. This is a wide one.
great visibility. Even behind you, you'll see good visibility to see everything.
Yeah.
Many of the competitor machines have taller bonnets, which makes it difficult to see behind, but you've still got great visibility on the right hand side and behind.
Seats also very good.
Very, very comfortable seats
Very
and
nice.
really comfortable joysticks as well.
What do you have here?
So on this display, you've got all the information that an operator needs to see. So you've got your fuel level information, you've got your coolant temperature information, and then on top, on a color display, you have information around the mode the machine's working in. You can see the time, and you can even customize this display to show the information the operator wants to see. So at the moment, this one is showing the engine RPM, the engine's off, so it's showing 0, and it's also showing the number of hours on the machine. But as an operator, if I want to change that information, I can do that all through the display.
Wow, so you can check the fuel consumption real time.
You can check fuel consumption in real time. You can customize that, you can set that up. You can go into this and you can see some information about the machine. And you can also change what you see here. So I can customize this, GPS information, hydraulic oil temperature, what the fuel level is remaining in the tank, RPM settings, so you can see in this one I have 213 litres left in the tank, and that can all be customised to set it up exactly the way the operator wants.
Wow, very good. You
But
know
not
what?
only that, we also have extra safety features on this machine. So the 385 HD comes with JCB's to-go hydraulic isolation system.
What is that?
So when you drop the lever on the excavator,
Mm-hmm.
these controls are not immediately live. We have a safety system, means that you need to press another switch over here. So when I press this switch, that then makes the hydraulics live. So 2 inputs to make the hydraulic system operate, which is the safest on the market.
Wow. Nice feature. So do you have any lifelink also on this machine?
Yes, so this machine comes with JCB's LiveLink system, meaning operators can go into JCB LiveLink and they can see all the information they want with the machine, whether that be where the machine's working, the number of hours on it, if there's any alerts that they need to know about, but they can also see the fuel consumption information. So an owner can get all that amazing information to manage the machines they have as well as their operators.
So you're saying that if there is a problem with the machine, then an alert pops out from this display screen?
Correct. So the operator will know about the alerts, but the the owner can also be notified via JCB LiveLink if there's a problem, and they can see through LiveLink what that problem is.
Wow, that's very good, James. Nice.